Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to restrict processing new apps or games from Google Playstore of Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly, just open the Google Play Store, and now you will see your Google account profile icon on the right top corner. Just tap on it, and now here you will see one option written settings. Just tap on it, and now you will see an option written authentication. Just tap on it, and now you will see an option written biometric authentication. Just enable it, and now it will ask your Google account password, so just put your password, and after that tap on OK. So now our biometric authentication is enabled, and you can clearly see a message written below it. For Google Play process on this device, you will be needing a biometric authentication. So let us try if it really gonna work or not. So say let me try to process one application. So let me tap on it, and now let me tap on buy. So now you can see here it's asking for your Google account password, or if you're using a fingerprint, then you need to put your fingerprint also. So unless and until you put your biometric authentication, that is your fingerprint password or your Google account password, you will not be able to process this respective applications or games from the Google Play Store. So by using this method, you can easily restrict processing new apps or games from Google Play Store of Android very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.